You know what we should draw?
What's that?
Maybe like an action movie sequence.
Hey, that's a good idea.
Like a car chase or something.
Let's draw a car chase.
Yeah, like with a helicopter and a car.
How about that? That's
Does
a
that
good
sound
idea.
good? Let's do it.
All right, everybody, grab a piece of paper and a pen. And if you don't have one, just ask your adult.
Yeah,
And come draw with us.
That's perfect,
See this one?
Okie dokie.
And I got this one right here, I reckon.
Okay.
This is gonna be a hard one, though.
Yeah, I'm trying to think. Okay, I'm gonna do, since we have the water right here, I'm gonna do a bridge with the car over the water and a helicopter chasing it just like on this movie True Lies.
Wow, this one sounds fun.
Or they had jets on there.
Okay, a bridge, a car, and a helicopter chasing the car?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give it my best shot.
You are going to do great, and you guys are going to do great too. It's so fun. We're just having fun here.
Wow. I don't know if this looks like a bridge, but I'll try.
I don't know if mine looks like a bridge either. This is a tricky one, but
I like it.
yeah, it's going to be great. Okay, so I did the water down below, and now I'm doing the bridge with their little bridge supports here, you know? And then I'm going to draw the car up here. I'm going to do a race car.
Oh, nice.
Bing, bing. And then we'll do the wheels here. Bing. And then a round circle for a wheel. And then we're going to do the back here.
Wow.
And bing here. And let's put a spoiler because it's a race car.
Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert. Don't tell the end of a movie. You know what? If you tell somebody the end of a movie before they ever see it, they call that a spoiler.
A spoiler.
Because you spoiled it, the end of the movie for them. They wanted to see it themselves. Spoiler alert.
How'd he draw a chopper?
Chopper.
Wow, look at his already.
Do this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Flying chopper.
Sometimes if you need to know how to draw something, if you just use a real life one, you could know how to draw it.
Wow.
Yep.
I never thought about that.
It's good. It's a good technique, and also if you needed something to draw, you could also look at a picture sometimes and get an idea for how that thing looks.
Wow.
I'm gonna put racing stripes on mine. So here's my car. And now I'm gonna draw the chopper.
Wow.
Chasing.
This one's tricky.
Yeah, this is a tricky one, guys. Are you following along okay?
Let's see yours.
Yeah,
Nice.
looking good.
Wow.
Looking real good.
That's way better than mine.
Yeah, you guys is looking really good.
Wow, and this the water down here.
I kind of made like a whale tail for a chopper. I'm gonna fix this.
And the sunshine and the corn
Oh,
there.
there we go. That's
I would
better.
want to keep on smiling.
So then the chopper, we put the little legs down here because it needs the landing legs. And then
Wow.
we put the top here. Action movie chase chopper.
Whoa.
Chasing the car. I'm gonna put little lights here so they can see.
Wow.
And then put a big chopper door.
Mine's kind of messy.
Hey, I bet yours is great. I bet yours is real good. Put a chopper logo. There we go. Boom. And then I'm gonna put a little like bridge completion here. Some wires.
Wow, he's good. Have you ever got it?
No, thanks a lot.
That's a really good one, Ricken.
Chopper. And then let's put the chopper nose.
Wow.
There we go. Let's see yours. Hey.
Ta-da!
Hey, that's great. You got your car.
Yeah, you see the car?
You got your slopper.
Slopper.
Chopper slopper.
Slopper chopper.
And you got your water and your bridge.
And the bridge and the sunshine, the smile.
Hey, it's a sunny action sequence.
It's a happy action sequence.
I'm gonna make mine a nighttime with the stars.
Wow.
And I'm gonna have an explosion happening in the background.
Whoa.
The car's gonna drive through the explosion.
Wow.
Fireworks.
Look at that.
The car's driving through and it goes through the fire.
Wow,
And then it
super
gets to
fast.
the other end of the side without getting burnt because it's going so fast. Yeah, sweet. Let's see your guys' final product. Or if you're still working, that's okay too.
Wow, those are some nice
looks
marks right
good.
there.
Really good.
Wow, these kids are great.
They're good drawers.
Man.
These guys are always good drawers.
I really appreciate it.
Okay, so let's spell car.
Let's spell car. That's a good one.
Yep, car's a good one. I'm gonna erase some of my stars to make room for it. And car is 3 letters. Can you guys guess the first letter?
Oh. A K.
Close.
Ah.
But there's 2 letters that make that K sound.
Okay.
It's tricky.
Okay.
But there's a K
Yeah.
and there's a C.
Oh, a C's the first letter.
Yep. And that makes a K.
A C.
And can you guess the next letter? Ka. That was it.
A?
A.
Oh, it's an A.
Ka.
C.
And do you know the next
A.
one? This reminds me of Yo Yo, Pirate's Life for me. It's a pirate Disneyland action chase sequence with Arnold and the Chopper. That's one movie that Arnold never did. I don't think is a pirate movie. He should have done a pirate action movie.
That would have been fun. Hey, maybe
Yeah,
you'll
that
do
would
one.
have been funny. Yeah. Hey Arnold, if you still want to do some more movies, which you are doing some, I think, do a pirate action movie
That would be great.
in a modern day where you got to get to the arcade.
That would be amazing.
Yeah, over the
I'd go
bridge,
see that one.
through the explosion. Okay.
C.
Ka.
A.
Ka. Speaking of pirates, last one. What do pirates say a lot?
R.
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 That's an R.
R.
That's the last letter. Car. Ka. Or.
C.
K. A. R.
R.
Car.
Car.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw,
That's the car right
everybody.
there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Your drawings are
sweet.
great.
Hey,
And
thanks.
yours are too.
Yours is too, and yours is too.
Yeah.
Nice work, everybody.
Good job.